loading, and let's see. Boom, guys, look at this. We have all these features. Shop main. What's up, guys, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I'll be showing you how I got Blox Fruits script for Roblox, absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called wixen.com. Then type in search Blox Fruits script and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our username. So let me enter mine quickly. Let me click continue and let's see. User found, just click connect. And now, do you have any executor? No. Import the newest delta? Yes. And select script that you want to add to your account, guys. Let me click continue. And let's wait a little bit for this installing. Okay, this is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, and as you can see, AP successfully connected. So scroll down and just click verify now, and let's wait a little bit. And now, guys, we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher of the app or downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and Scanner app, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed these tasks. In this task I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting text, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. So if you had this message, just wait for this redirecting, okay? And let's see the next step. Verification successful. Thanks for passing the boat check. Blox Fruits scripts are important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this. Okay, so let me open the game and let's test, does it actually work? So let's see, guys. Okay, Blox Fruits, and let's see. Okay, guys, look at this. I'm now in the game and let me show you. We have this panel. Just click here on home button and click execute, and let's wait a little bit and let's see. As you can see, script are added successfully. Just wait for this loading and let's see. Boom, guys, look at this. We have all these features: shop, main, auto farm. Look at this. This is working perfectly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.